Draw. He draws different shapes. Make. He makes coffee every morning. Take. She takes pictures with her camera. Find. She finds answers in the book. Smell. The flower smells sweet. Help. The boy helps the old woman. Dance. I love to dance at parties. Fly. The boy flies a kite. Cook. I love to cook pasta. Drink. He likes to drink coffee in the morning. Swim. We swim in the lake every summer. Eat. She prefers to eat healthy food. Sleep. I always sleep early on weekdays. Paint. She paints a bright sun on the canvas. Play. Let's play a game. Have. I have 2 pets. Do. I always do my homework. Say. She likes to say funny things. Get. Can you get the book for me? Go. Let's go to the park. See. He sees through binoculars. Think. He thinks about the future. Look. She looks at the clipboard. Jump. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Cry. The baby started to cry when it was hungry.